Sensitive data taken from a bank is being used in phishing emails as bait by a new malware campaign to install the remote access Trojan BitRAT. The unidentified opponent is said to have taken over the IT system of a cooperative bank in Colombia, utilizing the data to create plausible decoy communications to entice targets into opening dubious Excel documents. The discovery was made by cybersecurity company Qualys, which discovered evidence of a database dump with 418,777 records that was allegedly obtained by abusing SQL injection vulnerabilities. The information that was exposed includes, among other things, cedula numbers, a national identity card given to Colombian residents, email addresses, phone numbers, customer names, payment history, income information, and residences. It is possible that the threat actors themselves gained access to consumer data to carry out the phishing attempts, as there are no indications that the information has ever been published on any forums in the darknet or on the public internet. The Excel file that has the stolen bank data also has a macro embedded in it that is used to download a second-stage DLL payload that is programmed to fetch and run BitRAT on the infected computer. It uses the WinHTTP library to download BitRAT embedded payloads from GitHub to the %temp% directory, Qualys researcher Akshat Pradhan said. Created in mid-November 2022, the GitHub repository is used to host obfuscated BitRAT loader samples that are ultimately decoded and launched to complete the infection chains. BitRAT, an off-the-shelf malware available on sale on underground forums for a mere $20, comes with a wide range of functionalities to steal data, harvest credentials, mine cryptocurrency, and download additional binaries. Commercial off-the-shelf rats have been advancing their dissemination and infection techniques, according to Pradhan. Defenders must take this into account because they have escalated the use of lawful infrastructures to house their payloads,